Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Lisk. As in my previous videos of Lisk, I was showing you that it broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart of Lisk, then you can see that after the breakout, it has formed another broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see that whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs and higher lows as well. This time, the price line is rejected by the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern and also got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $3.25 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now again it worked as a resistance. And now at this time the price line is dropped at this support of $1.60. That is a quite long-term support. By the way, previously it had been working as a very strong resistance for several months, and here it had been working as a support. And before that, here for several weeks, it had been working as a resistance as well. Therefore, this time it is all again working as a nice support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after dropping down at this support, the price line is geared up. However, if the price line forms another higher low and tests the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, then it can slightly move more down up till the support of this wedge, somewhere here approximately at $1.50. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Lisk that I shared on 28th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Lisk formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. You can see after the completion of this leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction, and once it will be re-entered inside this buying zone, then we can expect another pump to the upside. And this was the complete trade signal. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down again and enter the buying zone here. And we had a very nice pump, and it rallied almost 35% only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Lisk, and you can see that previously, since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. This support was quite significant. You can see that while moving inside this wedge, we had a very nice bounce from the support that was here at $1.60. Then again, we had another bounce here. And by the way, before this, it has been working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a strong support. And now after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. And at this time, it is again working as a support. You can see that while moving inside this wedge, when we broke out this falling wedge pattern, then price then formed this rising wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, the price then also broke out. This is this $1.60. And now, when we got rejected once again by the resistance of the warning rising wedge pattern, then the price then again bounced from the support. And this bounce is quite clear on the daily time frame chart. You can see that now on this daily time frame chart, when the price then dropped down here at this support, then we had a nice bounce. However, if the price then will be moved more down to test the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, then it can drop down here somewhere approximately at $1.50. And after that, if it will be moved up to form another higher than previous high, then it can even break out this quite long-term resistance of $3.25 as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, you can see that so far we had a very powerful rally from this low to this high. It was more than 413% move, but still a very big move too. And that is the target for this breakout that is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.